Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. Today we visit at High Court Road compressor Mercedes Benz E200. This is the key. This key start engine sometime and sometime it will not start the car. So for that we are going to program this new key for E200 compressor. For this we are going to dismantle this ignition slot, and after that we program the new key. So let's start and dismantle the ignition switch. We will join shortly. Okay guys, now we are in our workshop. You can see all the programmers and laptops here. Now we can read. This is the equipment. You can see this is the ignition switch, this is the damage key, and this key we will going to program. So okay, this is the ignition, this is part number, and now we are going to program. After programming we will show you here that it will rotate the ignition switch. So we will join shortly. Okay, here is the key and here is the ignition. Now we are going to program the Benz key. For that you can see, sorry for flash, it will not clearly show either. Programming procedure is ongoing. We are going to save the car's file, car's ECU, car ignition file. Save the car's file, then program the new key. You can see programming procedure is complete. Now this key will be turn the ignition. We can check. See, it's rotate the ignition. Alhamdulillah. Now it will start the car also. After this we going back. This is the original VC. You can see it works sometime, and sometime it will not work. Okay, and this newly programmed key rotate the ignition. Next procedure is we go back to the car and reassemble the ignition switch and start the car. Okay, move on the car. Hi all, this is my Mercedes Benz lab. For BM or other cars we use different tool and different workshop. So for that we will visit inshallah next video. This is only for Mercedes Benz key programming lab. Thanks. Now we are back into the car. We are going to fix this ignition into the car here. After fixing we will continue inshallah. We just install the ignition and insert the key into the ignition. After inserting, you can see car is alhamdulillah start with newly programmed key, and the problem is solved, which is with previous key. You can see car is alhamdulillah start successfully. We must leave it for 2 or 3 minutes for synchronization procedure. After that, we will check the unlock central remote central unit. Then we will hand over to this newly programmed key to the customer. So we will wait for 2 to 3 minutes for synchronization process. Alhamdulillah, synchronization period is completed. After that, you can check the central unit of newly programmed keys working. Let's check and start the ignition once again. Alhamdulillah, summa alhamdulillah, car is start with new key. Thanks for watching. Keep in touch for new videos, and at the end I will thanks my Ustaji Yasir bhai for your insistent and at the mid of time. So thank you so much for that. We will continue, inshallah, work together, inshallah. Like, share and subscribe our YouTube official channel. Thanks a lot. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.